If walls could talk, Kalmar Castle would never stop. For over 800 years, this fortress has watched kingdoms rise, fall, and reshape the history of Scandinavia. Today, Kalmar Castle stands on Sweden's southeast coast, right where the mainland meets Grönland. It started as a medieval defensive tower in the 1100s, grew into a royal stronghold, and eventually became the stage for some of the most important political moments in Nordic history, including the signing of the Kalmar Union in 1397, which united Denmark, Norway, and Sweden under one crown. Walk around the courtyard and the architecture gives it away immediately. This wasn't just a fortress, it was a Renaissance palace. Kings lived here, battles were planned here, and its cannons once guarded the entire coastline. The castle isn't just a monument to the past. Today it's one of Sweden's most visited historical sites, home to exhibitions, guided tours, children activities, and seasonal events like ghost walks, Christmas markets, and medieval festivals. Inside, you'll find preserved royal chambers, hidden passageways, and one of the best-kept Renaissance interiors in the country. Kalmar Castle is open year-round, but hours vary with the season. What makes Kalmar Castle special isn't just its age, it's how alive it still feels. A place where history isn't behind glass, it's right under your feet. If you walk along the outer walls, you'll spot something almost impossible to miss. Cannonballs, still lodged in the stone. Left there by Danish forces during centuries of conflict. These iron scars are a reminder that Kalmar Castle wasn't just a symbol of power, it was a battlefield. Each cannonball is frozen in time, a silent echo of sieges that once shook these walls and sent shockwaves through the entire region. This is Kalmar Castle in autumn colors. This video was shot on the Nikon ZR in Red RAW.